So yesterday I posted a video regarding the Google Cloud Arcade facilitator versus student, means which you should join as a student or facilitator. In case you haven't watched it, make sure to watch it. And there some people are having query that should we participate in the facilitator program or not, and can we participate in this program and earn points and swags without this program. So we'll uncover these topics in this video. Coming to the topic directly, here you need to understand each month will be having 11 arcade points with 10 arcade games. So in total duration of 6 months we are earning only 66 points. But if we come to the arcade facilitator program, here the duration is only 2 months. Okay, and if we just see the point system over here, you can see in the duration of 2 months only we are getting, so in the span of 2 months only, we are earning 71 points. So if you see which is more beneficial, earning 66 points in 6 months or just earning 71 points in 2 months span. So you already got your answer. So why should you take part in why should you take part in the facilitator program? As it will give you more points with very less effort. When I'm saying less effort, then it means very less effort. So you'll be earning 71 points directly in the span of 2 months. So if you see the deadline also, it started from August and ended on October. For new deadlines and new point system will be updated in the upcoming cohort. It will be starting in April or May. And there only you need to understand that there will be more bonus points and more challenges over there. So in the span of 2 months, we are earning 71 points. So we'll be having time till October games also. As it is ending on 13th of October, there will be some October games, November games, and December games. Total 33 points we have extra. Okay. So as per my recommendation, you can take part in the facilitator program. It will help you to earn more bonus points. See, there are no swags for the facilitator program for the students. If you become a facilitator and lead the program, then you'll be able to get the swags. For that also, I have made a video how to become a facilitator program. I'll link that video in the description. Make sure to watch it. Okay. Now, if you need to understand one more important thing, that if you are having exams in between and you don't want to take part in facilitator program, so can you participate without the arcade program? Yes, you'll be having 66 points for the 6 month. Plus, you have to do skill badges. If you want to know what are skill badges, for that also I have linked the video in the description. Skill badges, lab free courses, all the details I have covered already. You can just check the description box. Now, once you complete all these challenges, one query you are having in your mind that I have earned, suppose 44 points from, suppose you have earned how many points? 44 points only. Okay. From Jan to, so whatever points you have earned will be added. For example, let me give an example. Suppose you have earned 44 points from Jan till April, and the facilitator program starts from May to July. Okay. So here, whatever, suppose we have reached this point, let me just show you a quick example. With the live example, it will be better to understand. So we are having 71 points from the Arcade Facilitator program. It's sure that they will update the skill badges and lab free courses. Points means they'll update the number. For example, it was 52 and it may change to 60 also, depending on the update. I'll make a video. I'm just showing you a raw example. So if you earn 71 points, including the bonus points, and what will happen to the 44 points which you have earned before? So all these points will be added and you'll be having a total of 115 points, and you'll be notified too for that also. Let me show you an example. Here we received the final insider email of the 2025. Here they have mentioned you have earned 96 points. Okay, and reached the legend type. And these points include all the points which you have earned in the Arcade Facilitator program. So as per my recommendation, we are recommending that do not complete the skill badges as of now, because if you complete skill badges and if they increase the number over here, and you won't be able to complete the challenges, in that case you need to create a new account. But as per the new rule, you cannot have multiple accounts. So if you want to wait, you can wait for the facilitator program to start and complete all the arcade games. See, if you have earned 44 points from these many months, from Jan to April, it will help you to rest for the rest months. Okay, so you can rest for some months and you'll be able to get the swags better wise, and better milestone you'll be able to reach with less effort. So this was the main thing I wanted to share. And if you still want to continue, like if you still want to continue without facilitator, you have to do only the skill badges. You can do, most of the people have already started doing skill badges. I'll find the skill badges. Let me just show you a quick guide. So this is our master sheet. Here you can see arcade monthly games. Monthly games means the games which are listed over here. Skill badges, we have to complete only pre-assessment skill badges. Here you have to complete only the challenge labs over here. So when you complete all these labs, next to it the solution, you have to follow it and complete it. There is not a single issue over there. So when you complete it, you'll be getting some points for every 2 skill badge. As per the point system, you can see the normal arcade point system is saying for each 2 skill badge you get 1 arcade point. Similarly, for trivia and level games you get 1 arcade point. So you can see below each game there is the mention of how much points you can earn. You can avoid the work meet play as it is only for the top 50 players. Now once you have earned all these things, will you be getting the swags? Yes, you'll be getting the swags. You are getting swags for the arcade program only. Even if you don't participate in the facilitator program and earn a point, for example 25 points, you get novice tier swags. For 95 points you get legend tier swags. Although they may update it or may remain the system same, whenever there will be update, I'll make a video. So as of now, I have told you the benefits of taking part in the facilitator program. I hope it clears your doubt. I've linked all the related videos in the description box. Make sure to check it out. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.